Let's get started with our first ASP.NET Core application. Open the Visual Studio and create a new project, and we will start with a core empty project. Select C#, all platforms and web, and then locate ASP.NET Core empty template. This is what we will do, and click on next. Here give a name for your project. Type any name. I'll type my project, and select a location where you want it to be created. You can select it anywhere at any convenient location. Go to the folder where you want your project, select that folder, and place select defaults, and the next screen will show you the framework. Whatever is available on your Visual Studio, select that, and by selecting defaults, let's quickly move to get started with our first project. Details we can see later. Close this, and you will find Solution Explorer somewhere on your Visual Studio. Connected services are empty, dependent, because we haven't done anything. This launch settings file, let's have a look at it. It lists a few ports that are being used. This is for IIS Express, the server. All are defaults. You can keep them as such. Then this sets our environment as development. We'll set staging or production later on. For HTTPS, since we'll be using HTTPS profile, two ports have been listed, one for HTTP and the other for HTTPS, as you can see. And again, the development environment. The settings file remains on your computer only, and then we have app settings file. This tells the minimum log level, and the default is information. And now let's come to the program.cs file that has been created for us. In this case, the create builder method, it creates a builder object. So we'll see that it's sort of a magic. Then we build the app, and for this root get root, this will send hello world string to the output. So let's run it, and we can see that a log window appears that shows info and hello world output for the root get root on the home page. It prints a simple message, hello world, this is what we wanted. And these are the ports that you can see, that this is the port that was being used. And now we can see that this is the string that was outputted for the home page. We can add a new root, let's say name, and here we'll print some other message. You should try to run this project, because this is the first starting step that must start working on your own system. And here, for example, now I'll change it to name. It will print that message, hello name. Run it on your own computer to see that it starts working so far. And in our next tutorials, we'll go to the detailed parts. We'll close it right now. We'll close it right now. Thank you.